In this video, we are going to create a 3D animation video with the help of advanced AI tools. We are going to use the DeepMotion website. Go there and create your free account. So this is the home page. Click on Animate 3D. Click on Get Started. Now click on 3D Models. You can create an avatar or you can upload your own avatar from here. Click on Stylized Avatar. Now choose whether you want a male or a female character. Now they are asking for a photo. You can take a photo by clicking this button or you can pick a file. If you don't want to upload a photo, just click Continue without a photo. Here are different avatars. Pick any one you like. Now make any change in your character if you want. You can set the skin tone, change eye color, eyelashes, hair design, clothes, etc. You can also upload your own design. When everything is done, click on the next button. Click Continue without sign up. Give your character a name and click Save. Your character is ready. Now to create an animation, click on Create Animation. Now you want to add a sample video according to which your character will be animated. Click here and choose a file. Rename the file if you want. Click on Video Output. Enable MP4 output from here. Disable Include Original Video. Change the custom background to solid and choose the green color. Also disable Shadow and MP4 output. Then click Create. Click on the Start Job button. It would take a few seconds. Our animation is ready. It has done a great job. To download the video, click on this Download button. Select MP4 and click Download to download it. It is so easy to create 3D animation using DeepMotion. Now we have the animation of the character. To make the video, we need a background video. Go to Canva and create your account. Choose Video. Go to Elements and search for Animation. As you can see, here are a lot of background videos. Choose any one you like. For example, I chose this one. Click on this Share button, then click Download to download it. But here is a problem. There is a watermark in this video. To remove the watermark, you need to purchase it. But don't worry, you can use the Pexels website. In case you don't know, Pexels is a free, high-quality stock photo and video website. Its link is in the description. Search for animation videos and download any video for free that you like. This is the animation video that I have downloaded. Now you have the animation and the background video. It's time to combine them. You can use any video editing software. I am using Adobe Premiere Pro. Place the background video first and then place the animation video above it. Go to Effects and search for Ultra Key. Drag and drop it over the animation video. Click on this pencil icon and then click on the green color on the video. Now adjust the character so it exactly matches the background video. Also, change the video speed to match the speed of the character. This is the animation video we have generated. That's all. We have created a simple 3D animation video with advanced AI tools. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.